Hey Gen X, thanks for joining me, and today you're going to want to pay close attention to this video because we're talking about how Generation X is in some ways getting triple dumped. Yes, folks, we're talking about being taxed right now on our income, but also helping out with elderly care for our aging parents. You're also helping with the next generation, of course, your kids, whether it's paying for college tuition, helping them get settled into their first house, maybe helping out with the down payment. You get the picture. And so with that, we're going to talk to you about the triple dunk that you have right now to take advantage of. And all that we're asking you for is a like and a subscribe to this channel because we talk about the things that matter most to Generation X. That's your family. That is peace of mind. And of course, preparing for a future that we don't completely understand, but a future that's heading towards us as we are ages 45 to 65 and we are in a collision course with retirement. Hey folks, today we're talking about the HSA, and this is why it matters. It is a triple tax advantage. It's written into the IRS code, and it applies to almost every single one of us in Generation X as we are mostly vested in the market, but we also have an opportunity to prepare for our taxes, do the little things that are necessary to prepare for our health care and the uncertainty that lies in the future. So if we're talking about an HSA, you know by now we're talking about a health savings account, and these things have many, many tax advantages. Go ahead and check out the chart here, and what we're doing is explaining some of the wonderful features. And of course, what's happening is you're putting in pre-tax money. Number two, you can put that pre-tax money and it's working inside market conditions. And of course, when you're putting in pre-tax money and you are preparing for the healthcare of the future, and you're also riding up the ups and downs of the stock market, you realize that you've also lowered your taxable income. And these are three things that are huge, huge superpowers about the HSA. Maybe more importantly, you realize that your entire family, you can put in $8,750 per year per family. And that's no thing to sneeze at. And there's even better news. If you are age 55 and over, there's actually a $1,000 per year catch-up here as well, and it's something you might consider taking advantage of. Like everything we say here on this channel, these are ideas to go ahead and prompt your conversation with your financial professional or your tax advisor. These little things here, but what we really want to do is make sure that we're asking the questions, put these things on our radar screen to make sure that we're getting these ideas vetted, because we want to make sure that your future, your retirement, is something that we've really, really taken into consideration. And that's why people like you watch this channel. And by the way, it's never too late to ask you for a like and a subscribe. Why? Because this channel is made for Gen Xers like us who are preparing for a future, and a future that has some uncertainty in it, right? And what we're really about is giving yourselves the confidence, the little things here that matter a lot. And of course, when we have information, we're able to take that information and run with it, because why? Generation X is the generation who grew up on survival skills, whether it's the latchkey child, whether it was the person who came from a divorced family. The fact of the matter is you figured how to battle through many of these different disadvantages. And of course, I want to remind you that those small seeming disadvantages you've had have really prepared you for this future, the future that we don't completely understand, not yet. So what the new 2026 HSA limits look like, check it out. It's $4,000 for the individual, and maybe more importantly, it's $8,750 for the complete family. And I want to remind you, not only that, there's a $1,000 per year catch-up clause here. So all of a sudden, you are taking advantage of something that has a superpower, and that is the HSA. I'm reminding you, you have the market, you have less taxable income, and of course, you have a future plan that can be taken out without taxes to pay medical bills. And this really is a superpower of leverage. So with that, I will share a shoebox strategy with you. And it might be something that you don't completely understand, because so much of our world tells us to live in the here and now. But hear me out for a moment. If you are ages 45 up to 55 and you're 15 years or so away from retirement, consider paying out of pocket for any kind of additional medical expenses you may have. Now, you may say to yourself, Brian, have you lost your mind? I'm already putting money into an HSA for this very reason. That much is true, but check out how this investment is going to return. That's what the market forecast is saying. check out the chart right here, and you'll notice that money left in the market for a 15-year period of time compounded with putting in between $4,000 to $8,750 per year, plus the $1,000 catch-up. All of a sudden, you found yourself in a very, very enviable position, and that position is a place where you're calling the shots because you have the finances ready to prepare for anything that could come out when it comes to your health care, and that is a superpower. Maybe beyond the superpower, it gives you peace of mind, and peace of mind really does matter a ton. And of course, that's why I have Policy Genius as a sponsor of today's video. Policy Genius is all about life insurance and, of course, making sure you've done the little things here in the now to take care of the future and unforeseen circumstances. Folks, whether it's you, whether it's your wife, doing the little things now that are necessary to prepare for the unforeseen circumstances, make sure that you're able to take care of the next generation. And, of course, what's beautiful about life insurance is it is tax-free. Yes, folks, the policies are cashed out and there is no tax liability on these. In most states, this is completely tax-free, so it's something you want to pay close attention to. Consider taking care of the next generation or getting a free quote with Policy Genius. It's something you probably won't regret. Let's continue. A link is in the description. Let's go ahead and continue. Whether you're 100% confident about what the future holds or you have some question marks, the HSA really can be a very, very effective tool in helping you prepare for your retirement. And once again, think about this way: as health insurance increases all the time, medical expenses increase all the time, having money inside your HSA that has grown tax-free, that has grown with market conditions, and of course, helps save you money on the other end when it comes to filing your taxes, well, you get the big picture. And of course, this is a superpower. It's not just going to go away. And why not take advantage of the triple tax savings that come along with an HSA?
Americans spent more than $14,000 per capita on healthcare in 2024, according to Health Equity. And the percentage of U.S. adults who were unable to afford or access quality healthcare reached 11%, which is about 29 million people, the highest level since 2021, according to the West Health Gallup Healthcare Indices study. Joining us now, we've got Scott Cutler, who is the CEO of Health Equity. Scott, good to have you here back with us in studio. Tell us about health savings accounts and how they can help bridge that affordability gap.
So first, just understanding what they are. This is an account that is a triple tax advantaged account that you can contribute pre-tax, grow tax-free, and then can spend it tax-free on healthcare related expenditures. It's the fastest growing savings in the U.S. It's grown as a market from 10 to 135 billion in the last 10 years. But today, we have an affordability crisis for healthcare. 40% of Americans cannot afford today a $400 unexpected medical expense. And so you really need to be thinking about how is it that you can be prepared to handle that, plus what you're going to need ultimately in retirement.
And so what are some of the downsides to HSAs as they are structured right now?
Thank you for joining me today. My name is Brian once again, and go ahead and watch other videos. Make sure you're liked and subscribed, and I will catch you next video. Thanks again for joining me.